If your layout looks like a boxing match between text and images, don't worry, they are just not getting along yet. Today we are going to fix that and make your visuals and words flow together like a well-rehearsed duet. Welcome to the part where your design starts feel alive. Let's turn chaos into composition. Good layout is all about flow. Your reader's eye should travel naturally, from image to headline to text, without feeling lost. That means every image needs a purpose, not just direction. Before placing anything, zoom out and ask, what's the visual hierarchy here? Big image equals attention grabber, headline equals direction, body text equals information. If everything shouts, nothing gets heard. Let's start placing. Use File, Place, and choose your picture, and open. Now you see your mouse icon has changed, and now click and drag your picture on your page. Or other way how to bring in your picture is just drag it on your page. Now look at your layer panel. You can drag image layer below or above the text frame. So just click and drag. And now it's under the text layer. Pro tip, you can use Ctrl or Command plus square brackets to move layers up and down fast. You look like a magician when you nail the stacking order. Now let's make text flow around your image, not through them. Click on your photo on the layer panel, then go to text wrap, show text wrap settings. Click on it and this window pops open. Now let's choose your wrap type. None is like it is. Text ignores your image. Tight hugs the invisible edges, this one. Square wraps around the image bounding box. If you have a square image, you actually can't see the differences. The difference comes when you are using special objects. Let's say you want to cut out the person on the image. So let's do it fast. This is very sloppy. The difference comes when you have a special shape. So here you can see the text wraps around your shape, and you can give it a little bit more room, but when you move it, you see text wraps around it. With tight, with square, it just empties everything around your shape. Let's put it here, and let's see what jump does. Select your picture, jump, and now it cleans everything like what's left or right from the picture. So you see, if you put it here, you see it cleans your sides. For photos with irregular shapes like persons, like we did here, use tight and increase the offset slightly. This is perfect for creative magazine spreads or product catalogs. Rule 1 of combining type and images. Text must win the legibility battle. Never put the white text on a bright background and hope for the best. If you must overlay text, add contrast. Darken the image slightly with a transparent black rectangle. So go to Pixel, new fill layer. Let's turn it black and let's reduce the opacity. Bring the text above. Let's do white text. And you see the text is more visible without transparent black and with transparent black. And then just adjust your black transparent layer how you like it. More, you can make it stronger or lighter, but main thing is that the text must be on focus here. The other thing you can do is to use a drop shadow. You see FX, this layer effect, click on it, this window pops open, and here choose drop shadow. It's outer shadow, and enable it. With drop shadow, I suggest you be very careful, because when you use it too much, it just looks very cheap. So you have to find this sweet spot. You can first give it a very hard shadow so you can see it, and then you just adjust it So it would look stylish, but it wouldn't look like 19th paint design. So you can just give this very fade shadow. You just have to play with those radius, offset, and intensity, or even opacity. So here is with drop shadow and without, but same time it doesn't look noticeable. Or third option, you can place the text inside a semi-transparent shape. So let me show what I mean. Take the rectangle, like this. So the text gets all the visibility it needs. But which one is the best? It depends on design, and you just have to try it out. Those tricks make your message readable and stylish. So just try them out. Hierarchy tells your reader where to look first. You can control it with size, weight, and spacing. Headlines should be big and boldest. Subheads medium weight, and body text calm and readable. And if you need, use color. One accent color for emphasis is enough. And remember, white space is not waste space. It's breathing room for your layout. If you are unsure, squint your eyes. Whatever stands out first is your visual hierarchy. It's everything. If everything hits at once, start adjusting. Now let's build a quick magazine style page. Let's start with a picture frame like this. Then let's bring in our picture. Just drag it inside the picture frame like this. You can adjust it here using those things. You can adjust it here using those buttons here. You can make it smaller, bigger, like I think that's good. Now let's give it a headline. You can use this artistic text tool or frame text tool, whichever you like. Now it's white, invisible, small. Let's make it more smaller. This center. Oh, sorry, align it in the center. Line bigger. Put it here, so some of it will be on the picture. Now it's readable, but the line under here is not. So let's use this box here down. We can give it rounded corners. Much this center it and like make text a little bit smaller. Let's give it a little bit breathing room. And actually we can turn opacity a little bit down so you can see the picture underneath like this. And now let's bring some text. Let's bring in some text and let's pretend that we need subheading 2. So let's see, this 9, almost 50. Okay, let's do it 25. Bold color. And remember, don't use much colors. One extra accent color is enough. Usually I'm not big fan of those boxes, but in tutorial purposes I made it. So if I would do it for my client, I would actually lose this, make this picture a little bit smaller. Like I would do something like this, but it's preferences. Some designers love those boxes, some doesn't. So which one are you? Both are right. So you now lay out like someone who actually plans things. Next time we'll explore color management and palettes, how to make your work pop without burning retinas. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, great layouts don't shout, they lead.